In this video, we're going to show you how to create bullet and number lists and use SuperNova to navigate them. Bullet lists usually show a list of items that can be considered mutually exclusive. For example, the ingredients required to make a cake.
Bulleted 1 of 6 bullet butter dot. Bulleted 2 of 6 bullet cream dot. Bulleted 3 of 6 bullet eggs dot.
On the other hand, number lists show instructions that should be followed in a specific order, such as the steps to make a cake.
Numbered 1 dot, heat oven dot. Numbered 2 dot, butter and lime cake tins dot. Numbered 3 dot, beat butter and sugar together in a bowl dot.
There are several ways to create a bullet list in Word. You can type an asterisk followed by a space and Word will automatically convert it to a standard black circle bullet item.
Enter bulleted 7 of 7 level 1 bullet. Bulleted 7 of 7 bullet B. O. B.
After typing your text, press enter. Word creates a new bullet item for you.
Bulleted 8 of 8 selected Shift S. U. E. Enter. Bulleted 9 of 9 selected Shift T. I. M.
You can continue to add items to your list, and when you are done, simply press enter on the last blank bullet item and it will disappear.
Bulleted 10 of 10 selected. Leaving list.
However, Word does not separate bullet items created this way. You may have noticed the bullet list item numbering continues from the ingredients above. You can correct this by going to the first item.
Bulleted 7 of 9 level 1 bullet bob.
Open the context menu by pressing Shift and F10.
Shift menu.
And select separate list.
Separate list shortcut L5 of 13.
Word separates the list from the previous, enabling SuperNova to correctly read the number of items in the list.
Billy's birthday bash word. Bulleted 1 of 3 level 1 normal bullet bob.
You can avoid this issue by using the bullet command in the ribbon. When you start a new bullet list, press Alt,
Toolbar, Tab Control, Home Page,
and H,
and
then U.
Menu, Bullet, Bulleted, Solid Circle.
And choose a bullet style.
Billy's birthday bash word. Bulleted level 1 normal bullet. Shift S K I P P R N G space bar R O P E N. Bulleted 2 of 2 Shift B A L L. Bulleted 3 of 3 Shift C R A Y O N S.
Creating number lists is similar. Type the number to begin the list, followed by a full stop, and then press space, and Word converts it to a numbered list.
Enter normal 1 dot, numbered 1 dot.
As with bullet lists, you can type your text, press enter, and Word automatically completes the next number in the sequence.
C R I S P S.
Press the enter key on a number without any text, and you will leave the list and return to your normal paragraph style.
Selected 4 dot. Enter.
You can use SuperNova quick navigation keys to move to lists in your document. I'll put the focus at the top of this file. Press Ctrl plus Home.
Start of document Billy's birthday bash.
To navigate to a list whilst holding caps lock, press L.
Bulleted 1 of 6 level 1 bullet butter dot. Numbered 1 dot, heat oven dot.
To navigate to the previous list, hold Shift and cap lock and then press L.
Bulleted 1 of 6 bullet butter dot.
Once there, you can use the arrow keys or use additional SuperNova quick navigation keys to move to the next item in the list by pressing caps lock and I.
Bulleted 2 of 6 bullet cream dot. Bulleted 3 of 6 bullet eggs dot. Bulleted 4 of 6 bullet jam dot.
And add Shift to navigate to the previous item within the current list.
Bulleted 4 of 6 bullet jam dot. Bulleted 3 of 6 bullet eggs dot.
Read on to learn more.